Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. We are kicking off a series at KnowHow called 48 Hours to Launch, and the goal is to show you just how simple we have made it to take the expertise that exists in your team's brain and put it in the hands of your staff out on the job site and in the office. Honestly, you got to see it to believe it. You will not believe some of the technological innovations we have made to make it easier than ever for you to create a competent and confident workforce that can handle any task. It has never been easier. 48 hours may feel like a stretch, but when you see what we have done, you will totally understand how you could wave goodbye to your workers on a Friday night and they can come in on Monday morning with everything they need to know to be confident in their roles. If you want to equip your team with what they need to do in order to do their jobs well, then make sure you are subscribed to this channel and do not miss this series. We'll see you there.